Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Shameless Quarantine Extrovert, your favorite podcast, Shameless After 30, available right now on all major platforms, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and Spotify. I am your favorite quarantine extrovert, as you all already know. Hello. And today, you guys are learning how to make fried deviled eggs as pictured. First, let's start with the obvious. You gotta boil the eggs. I let them cool for about 5 minutes. Okay, you can add any hot sauce. I just used this. It was on sale. You mix it in a bowl with egg yolk and hot sauce. And that's what we're going to batter our eggs with. Okay, so this process was actually done off camera. So in a Ziploc bag, you take regular flour, self-rising flour. I season it just a little bit with complete seasoning and garlic powder. And I also put a few breadcrumbs in it to add a nice crisp. And what you do with the bowl with the egg yolk in it, you mix in your cooked egg whites and then you roll it inside the flour batter. Now, I'm sure this is something you could do in the oven, but let's be real. I needed a quick meal. This is a quick 15-minute feast.
So, in a hot pot of grease, it was.
For the details on the filling, just freeze this right here and just go step by step at your own leisure. And then you're all done. This is a quick 15-20 minute feast. This is definitely for when you're gonna have like quick company coming over. You need something cute, you know. Once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys learned some really cute quick meals when you're about to have a slider come through. Yes, thank me later. This is the Shameless Quarantine Extrovert. Make sure you check me out on my podcast, Shameless After 30.